The session. I think camera is not ready. तो जो आज का टॉपिक है उस टॉपिक में हम लोग जो पढ़ने वाले हैं वो पढ़ने वाले हैं कि हाउ टू मेमोराइज वेरी फास्ट एंड हाउ टू रिटेन द कंटेंट वट एवर वी रीड इन आवर लाइफ. सो टॉपिक है मेमोराइज. The content. Memorize the content. So how to memorize anything in our life? It's a very big question. We read lot of things in our life, but we cannot retain everything whenever we need it, especially in examination. So basically, what are the factors which is directly emphasize to our journey or retention or attention or memorize anything? It's very important to us. So first of all, when we want to memorize anything, we have to understand that first thing first is visualization. Visualization is one of the special thing which is very important, especially for students which are preparing for the competitive examinations. क्यों जरूरी है कि विजुलाइज जब तक आप चीज़ों को नहीं करेंगे उसको आप अपने दिमाग में पिक्चर नहीं बना पाएंगे, और जब तक पिक्चर नहीं बनेगी ध्यान रखिए वो लॉन्ग टर्म तक आपके माइंड में रिटेन नहीं होने वाली, समझ में नहीं आने वाला. इसलिए सबसे पहली चीज़ और स्पेशल चीज़ ये है कि कैसे हम चीज़ों को रिटेन करें. रिटेंशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो we have to understand the how to retain the things in a systematic way. For example, when we want to learn this question, sigma and 0 to infinity x to the power square, and what is e to the power x into sine की power ex. This is something in the mathematics. We cannot learn easily. We cannot even understand easily. Why? Because this is not in our brain in form of pictures. So when we say apple, we can make an image in such a way in our mind that it is a live thing. So that things in our life which is visualized easily, we can attain that power easily, because that is the power of visualization. The second thing is uniqueness. You. What is this you? Let us take an example. When you travel from one point to another point, say from your home to railway station, you see number of things, but you cannot remember all the things from station to your home or vice versa. You know what is the reason? The reason is very clear. We can remember those things in our life which is unique. If a man riding a horse in a mountain or in the earth, you see, you will remember that. But you cannot remember number of vehicles are traveling here to there, but the unique things. For example, a man riding on a pig, you will remember. Why? Because this is the unique in nature. No one can travel on the pig in such a way, because pig is not a vehicle or not a normal things. Pig is a unique way to traveling from one point to another point. So those things in your life which is unique in this nature, you can remember easily. But those things which are not unique, you cannot attain the very highly potential and such of things. You cannot remember those things. So, their thing that will be visualized strongly. You can remember those things which are unique in nature. And third, M. M stands for movement. What is the meaning of movement? When I say, what is the content inside your book? You cannot recall easily. But you can remember a movie sequence wise because there is movement. The movement in anywhere in your life, if happening, you will recall the things very easily. So whenever you attain a data or you read a book, just imagine there is a movement in your thoughts and interlinking in such a way that all the ideas and all the concepts are interlinking like this. So we can easily read and memorize that thing. And last but not the least, the very special thing we have to understand, color. What is this color? What type of pictures you want to see in your life? One thing is black and white before 1960 or 1970s, or today movies or 2023. What movie you will be like to see? Black and white or color? Obviously your answer is color, because your mind captures those things which is very colorful in nature. So your notes must be in the colorful manner. So you can attain the things very easily. You can grasp the things instantly, because your mind works in such a way that the things which is colorful, which is unique, which is movement and having the visualization in a strong way, you can attain or grasp the things very, very fast. When you make a notes, when you make the notes in your life, in ever or future, you must attention these 4 points include in your notes. What the 4 points is? Points are, first is visualization, second is uniqueness, and third is movement, and fourth is colorful notes. This will enhance the memory power or revision in your life. Just be careful whenever we want to be good notes. When you will revise in future your notes, you will be surprised to know what is the notes happening. Yeah, these notes are speak to me. What the tremendous notes and exciting notes which are you excited to learn the things. And black and white notes and the random notes is not excited to read the content again and again, because this is the function and this is the nature of your mind to forget the number of things. Otherwise you will not live, because number of trillions of thoughts are surrounding the mind one by one in the whole life. If you remember all the thoughts, you will be gone mad. So this is the function of the mind. This is the language of your mind. Your mind grabs the things in terms of visuals, not in digits. So you have to make such type of algorithm in your mind that you must be able to make the visualization, uniqueness and movement, and last but not the least, colorfulness. So let's try these things in your notes and have a good day. Thank you so much.